When I'm just getting started, how do I find guns to work on? Well, let me suggest several different ways you can find firearms to work on as you're studying your gunsmithing course. First off, I'm sure that you probably have a number of firearms yourself. Those most common firearms will be covered in the course, and you're going to really enjoy your guns more by being able to get inside them and understand exactly what's going on in there. In addition to that, you're going to have friends and family. They're going to want you to clean and maintain their firearms. That's a great way to get started. I do recommend you get your federal firearms license early on. That way, there's no question. You can log them in and out of the book, and you're all good. Another thing you can do is once you have your federal firearms license, you can go to pawn shops, you can buy broken guns, you can get work from them where you're doing maintenance work and safety checks on the guns that they have in inventory. They're going to like that and pay you for that. You can work for other gun shops and they'll give you a steady supply. And our system that's available to our students at www.proguncleaningsystem.com. It's an ultrasonic cleaning system with a whole marketing package. And once you get doing that, you're going to have a lot of people coming to you to have their firearms maintained. And then from that, you'll be able to do repairs when you find things wrong and also customizing. So there's a lot of sources where you can get firearms from, and there's not going to be a shortage. And the beautiful thing about video is when you're studying the course, you don't actually need the gun in front of you because we use cutaway guns and you can actually see what's happening inside. Obviously, it's a plus to have the actual firearm model there with you when you're studying, but you don't need it. So, because we cover so many different designs and systems, you'll understand the firearms when you're looking at them. Those are just a few of the different ways and ideas of how you can get guns in to work on.